The following video is intended to explain and demonstrate how to operate our newly redesigned motor test system series. Our 100 plus years of high voltage and high power experience has led us to develop the most efficient motor test systems on the market today. They are known worldwide to be robust, reliable, and refined. Our low and high power AC and DC motor testing equipment is capable of measuring several parameters required in today's electric motor manufacturing and remanufacturing processes. The systems sold by Hipotronics are tailored to meet the needs of motor manufacturers and repair shops to ensure proper performance and operating efficiency of a wide range of electric motors. To begin, all Hipotronics motor test systems are built and assembled in-house, providing the highest level of quality to our customers. Inside the MTS, our patented Peschel Variable Transformer paired with our motorized output tap switch make for a reliable and accurate system that lasts. The PVT offers the highest power per physical size compared to any other voltage regulator on the market. It also has fewer moving parts for its power rating than any other regulator available. Moreover, the motor test system's robust external frame allows for ease of placement with forklift and/or crane provisions while maintaining a minimal footprint. Each model comes standard, ready to take the most common measurements using a digital tachometer, digital watt meter, temperature meter, and power factor meter. These measurement features are monitored and controlled remotely using a 10-inch touchscreen HMI, also included with the unit. You can place the controller in numerous locations in the shop, allowing the user to actually see and monitor the motor while it's under test. The MTS can even be customized to include a variety of other custom options, such as RTD temperature measurement, an impedance supply, a boom arm output with cables, vibration metering, additional voltage tabs, an optional series field supply, and an optional dynamometer. As you may tell, our standard motor test system offering comes well equipped to perform many common motor tests and can be further refined for each customer to output the specific data needed for any motor manufactured. Hipotronics motor test systems used to perform motor run tests at no load or full load operation are made to ensure years of safe and easy operation with minimal maintenance and user training. This means drastically reduced startup and ownership costs for our customers. And as a member of the Electrical Apparatus Service Association, we have a vested commitment to keep up to date with state-of-the-art technology. Lastly, our offerings are now standardized systems, which help to reduce price, quicken the quote process, and make our delivery time frames even faster. Inquire today and we'll be happy to provide you with a free quote. Hipotronics MTS, a motor test system that's robust, reliable, and refined for every customer.